everyone. In earlier video, we are inserting the data for the admission plan. This is the first step, and now we are going to fill the next step, that is admission plan test detail. The tests which are executed in that particular program or for the particular admission. Now we are going to choose the entrance test, like it will be multiple or it will be a single test. Like as we are going to insert, suppose CBT test first, that is return test. The date mentioned as we are pressing F3 for this calendar and choose the date lies between session start date or end date. Like we are going to choose as make sure here that CBT result declaration date is 19th November. We are inserting earlier, then the test date will be before this result declaration date. Then make it as this 16th. Time of this test as 11. Date 2. The admission test. Make it as 18 and time is the date from and to. It will be same or different. Minimum passing percentage for CBT test which the particular candidate can get, like we are going to insert as 60%. If there is any remark for the CBT test, then fill it, otherwise blank it. If we are going to make it as multiple for the admission plan, then we are pressing enter for the next record. Then personal interview. I would like to take the personal interview after the CBT test of the each and every candidate. Now the date for this. Make sure here also make sure that particular the next step or next test will be taken after the CBT result declaration. As the student passed the CBT test, then that passed student or passed candidate can go to the next step for the personal interview, otherwise not. And now the date for the personal interview, that is press F3 and choose the date here. As 26 for the time of this. Suppose 11, date 2 as we can say 29. Now then time is passing percentage for the personal interview or the next step of after the CBT as 50. If there is any remark, then make it like personal interview student getting mark about 50%. That candidate passed. Now go to the save button and save it. This message shows for the updation. Now we are going further for the fees detail. Fees will be decided according to the program, as like admission fees for this particular MBA section or MBA program is 20,000. Suppose, then press enter for the another fees as induction fees like 10,000. Suppose, then it caution money as or extracurricular activities like 5,000. If there is any remark, then fill it like the compulsory for every student to take part in extracurricular activities. Now for the next fees type, we are going to use like refundable fees as 7500. Make as remark this fee refundable or anything else you want. Now go to the save button and save it. This message shows for the updation. It will be yes, then update the record, otherwise it will be no, then this data is not inserted in that particular record. Make it as yes. Now we are seeing that we have to insert the plan for the trimester 4. Then this is the trimester 4, and here is the plan test detail. There are 2 tests, CBT and personal interview, and then we are inserting fees detail as admission fees, induction fees, extracurricular activity refundable, anything else you want to do. Thank you.